Hi Arash, thank you for coming today. Let's start in an introduction. Can you tell me a bit of about yourself and your background? Uh, Hi, thank you for having me. My name is Arash, and I have a degree in civil engineering with a postgraduate studies in construction project management. Over the past few years, I developed a solid technical foundation in construction, while also gaining a hands-on experience managing projects. One of my key roles with the supervising a three-story residential project in Toronto, where I was responsible for site safety, risk assessment, and coordinating teams from different trades. My focus has always been deliver the project on time, safely, and with the keen eye on sustainability and innovations. That sounds interesting. Can you tell me about a project you particularly proud of and what your role was? Well, one of the project I am particularly proud of is that the residential building project I mentioned earlier. I was the site supervisor, managing a team of the 35 workers, including carpenters, plumbers, and geotechnical investigators. My role was to ensure a smooth coordinate between the trades, develop and implement safety plans, and manage the schedule. What made this project stand out was the challenge of the keeping everything on track while maintaining the highest safety standards. In the end, we completed the project on a schedule and with no safety incidents. It was a rewarding experience, and it really honored my leadership and the time management skills. That's impressive. How do you balance maintaining safety with the meeting project deadlines? Safety is always my top priority, and I believe it directly contributes to meeting deadlines. My approach is to integrate safety planning into the project schedule from the very beginning. I conduct the detailed risk assessment and I ensure all workers are trained and provided with the right PPE. I also make safety a part of the daily routines, such as holding brief safety talks and review protocols by the creating a culture where safety comes first. Workers feel more confident and productive, which in a turn helps keep the project on track. How do you handle a situation where you have to manage multiple tasks at once? Multitasking is a common construction and requires both planning and flexibility. One specific example was during the site preparation phase of the project, where I was overseeing a soil investigator while managing trades on a site. I tackled this by breaking the work down into the manageable steps and prioritizing tasks based on urgency. I used the project management software to monitor timelines and delegate tasks to team members I trust. When multiple critical tasks coincided, I communicated clearly with the team to ensure everyone was aligned on priorities. This allowed me to stay on the top of the deadline without compromising the quality or safety. Great. Collaboration is crucial in a construction project. How do you ensure effective communication between a different team? Uh, Effective communication is essential, especially when working with the multiple teams. I start with the setting up a clear communication channel early in the project. Regular site uh, meeting and check-ins help keep everyone on the same page. I also encourage an open door policy where any team member can voice concern or raise issues. Additionally, I use a project management tools to track the progresses and share updates with all stakeholders in real time. This ensures transparency and keeps the flow of information smooth across the different teams. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years in the industry? In 5 years, I see myself in a leadership position, managing large-scale construction projects with the focus on sustainability and innovation. I'm passionate about green building practices and new technologies, and I want to contribute to a project that makes a real impact in a term of the environmental efficiency. My goal is continue developing my leadership skill while staying at the forefront of the new development in a construction technology. That's a solid plan. What do you think is your great strength that will help you succeed in the role? My greatest strength is my ability to blend technical expertise with a strong project coordination skill. My engineering background gives me a deep understanding of the construction process, while my experience in project management has taught me how to lead a team, manage a schedule, and ensure safety. I'm also adaptable and solution oriented, which helps me navigate the complexities of the construction project and ensure success outcomes. Uh, do you have any question for me about the role of the company? Yes, thank you. I'm really interested in your company commitment to sustainable construction. Could you tell me more about how the company integrates green building practices into its project and how it encourages innovation within the team? Thank you.